Okay, so I have my H for hundreds, T for tens, 0 for ones, and usually it would be nice if I could have a column, chart, but this is on the table, so I don't have that. So we have, what was it, 408. So this right here was 408. I have 4 hundreds, 8 ones. There's no tens at all, so it actually gives me some space there. Subtracting 273. Okay, so there's my 8. Oh, 200, 100, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 73. There we go. Well, in the ones, it happens to work out. 8's a larger number. So can I go ahead and take away the 3 from 8? Absolutely. So if I take away 1 from the bottom, I take away 1 from the top. There we go. Take away 1, take away 1. Boom, boom. There we go. And it leaves me with what?
5.
5. I have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can go ahead and move these on down to my answer, which again, I know it's really hard to try to show it. But 8 subtract 3 gives me 5. Now 0 subtract 7. Again, if I have nothing up here at the top, what am I possibly taking away these 7 tens from? What? There's nothing up here. There's no tens. I can't take away anything from it.
Don't take them away.
I have to regroup. You still got to subtract. But 0, if I hold up 0, I can't take away 7 fingers. Just like I can't take away 7 groups of 10. When we come over here and borrow or regroup, and this 4 becomes a 3, this 0 becomes a 10 now. What that means is I'm taking one of these hundreds, because there was 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking away one of these hundreds, and I'm going to regroup it. Think of a $100 bill. I'm taking away the 100, and instead of just having it as one flat, one set of 100, I'm going to take it away, and now I'm going to actually break it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is what we mean by regroup. I'm literally taking one of the hundreds, and it's like I cut them apart, and I regrouped it now, so it's 10 sets of 10. So now that I actually have 10 sets of 10, and again, really all we ever do is just, you can say add a 1 in front of this, because that would be adding 10. So now I can do that. 10 subtract 7. Now, yes, that would work out. Boom. There we go. Boom. There we go. I can subtract that. Yep. Subtract. 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 What does it leave me with now?
3.
3. So 10 subtract 7 gives me 3. And I can move that down here to my answer.
3.
Now looking at my hundreds, I have 3 hundreds left. And then I got to take away 2 of them. So by the time I go ahead and subtract these, it leaves me with how many hundreds?
1.
3 subtract 2 equals 1. If I look down here with my base 10 blocks, let's see, 100, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, did my base 10 blocks end up being the same thing as what I wrote out?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, are you going to have base 10 blocks on your test?
No.
But you
But
can draw them out.
You could. You could always go through and draw them out. 300, like 400.
Or you could name them.
Yeah, the 10s I always do like the lines to represent the 10s. Yeah. And then I do little circles for my 1s because it just, my squares would get all jumbled. But you can draw it out. And that's what we mean when we say borrow or regrouping, because you're literally having to change your larger place value. You're having to change this so you have enough. Literally, like if you don't have enough money to buy something in the store, you're going to ask your parents to borrow some money, aren't you?
Yep.
Same thing. If there's not enough numbers to subtract, you're going to have to go over to the greatest place value or the greater place value, one over, and you're going to have to ask to borrow. That's exactly what you're doing.